1 Minute Trading Mastery. Part 6 of the 600. Candle types. 3 dark crows.
Hi traders, 3 black crows is the bearish type of 3 white soldiers. All rules are the same. When this structure forms, there should be 3 consecutive FVGs, so which FVG will we choose? Of course, we'll choose the middle one. Draw a box around the middle FVG, extend it to the right, and patiently wait for the price to touch it. When setting a stop loss, we choose an area above the FVG, while for a take profit, we must choose a significant area. This area could be untapped liquidity, seasonal liquidity, a supply-demand zone, or an area of indecision. As with any candlestick pattern, we should look for secondary confirmation here. The rapid decline that forms the 3 black crows must be linked to a cause. If such confirmation is found, the success rate of the pattern is higher. Good luck, guys!